How you guys doing? We're here about to hike Mount Carson hiking trail. So Mount Carson is a part of the Selkirk mountain range, which is right next to Mount Spokane. So theoretically, if we get to the top and the fog and clouds clear out, we will see a fantastic view of Mount Spokane, but that's all contingent on whether the stuff clears out. The hike itself starts out wide and clear, and as it continues up in elevation, it starts to become more narrow. This kind of hike is something that you would want to dedicate for a longer period of time during the day. It's no quick hike. So you guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Tag along.